Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So if this is your first time seeing me here, welcome. Please do consider subscribing, and if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today's tutorial is going to be on how I do my everyday gel liner. So if you want to know how I get this look, then keep on watching. So the gel eyeliner I'll be using is from Zaron Cosmetics. It's their long wear gel eyeliner and it's in Jazz 01. I think it's the darkest shade of them all. Super dark, and it's also a Nigerian brand. So this is the brush I'll be using. It's just a small angled brush. It's the Sigmabeauty small angled brush in E65. So after I do my gel liner, I go over with a liquid liner. You could use any liquid liner of your choice. So the one I'll be using today is from Ferrarucci Professional Makeup. It's their matte long wear liquid liner. So I'll be starting by opening up my gel liner and dipping my brush in. Also, after doing that, I'll try removing the excess from the sides. So I'll start at the inner corner of my eyes. So now I'm going to be doing the wing, and I like to start off with a little line, and I'll be following my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna go from this end line here and then connect it with the top line. So I'll just fill that in. So I'll just try extend this line up a little bit. So now I'll be repeating the same steps I used for this eye on this other eye here. So now that I'm done with the gel liner, I'm going to go in with the liquid liner just for it to stay super dark and also for it to stay longer throughout the day. So now that is all done, it's time for mascara, and today I'll be using the Fox Effect Lash Wide Eye Mascara. It's from Revolutionpro and it's in shade black, and it also said that this mascara has jojoba oil in it and vitamin E, also peptides. So it's from Revolutionpro, it's in shade black. So for my eyelash, I'll be using this lashes here from wynkklashes. It's from their Alter Ego collection. So I'll just be picking one from here and applying. So I already applied my lash glue, so I'll just wait for it a little bit to get sticky before applying it. so I usually use my hand though, and fixing my eyelashes. And I'm done. So after that, what I usually do is I try press my natural lashes together with the false lashes. Okay guys, so that is how I do my everyday gel eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you did, please let me know what you think down below the comment section. Also, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Please do stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.